Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to edit messages on Facebook Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. You now have the flexibility to edit Messenger messages up to 15 minutes after sending them. This means you can edit any messages on Messenger within 15 minutes of being sent. You can edit messages to fix any spelling mistakes or autocorrect errors in their messages, ensuring clear communication. And editing Messenger chats helps to avoid potential misunderstandings also. It's incredibly easy. All you need to do is tap and hold on to the message you want to edit, then select the Edit button. To edit messages on Facebook Messenger, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Now, find the message you sent that you wish to edit within the conversation. Scroll through the conversation until you find the message that needs correction. Then, tap and hold the message that you want to edit. This will open a menu with various options. Within the menu, tap on More. This is represented by 3 dots. Again, a pop-up menu appears with various options. Look for the Edit option and tap on it. After tapping Edit, the message will become editable, allowing you to make the necessary modifications to your text. Finally, tap the checkmark icon to save your changes. This action will update the message within the chat. It's important to note that Facebook Messenger allows users to edit messages within 15 minutes of after sending. After this time frame, messages become permanent and cannot be edited. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion, please let me know in the comment section below.